Welcome, I'm Trip. Welcome back to another video. And today I got the FRS on the dyno. Because today we're doing some dyno tuning. I am here at Taylor Tuning in Hendersonville, Tennessee. It's like outside of Nashville, not too far outside of Nashville. If you watched the last episode, you know I got my flex fuel kit on, big injectors, fuel pump. And today we're tuning for E85. So we're gonna first run it up on 91, get it happy, then pour some E85 in it and tune it on it. So we can get a few extra ponies. Try and get away because it's kind of loud over there. I'm probably not gonna make any predictions. It'll probably just break my heart if I don't make the numbers I'm expecting. So it'll make whatever it makes. I'm sure whatever it makes, it's better than the FA20. So, and for those who don't know, it's a K24 with the full K-Power Industries kit on it. Essentially all the bolt-ons. It has a Haltech 1500 ECU with the Haltech wideband, K-Power Flex fuel kit, running 525 cc injectors, 80 fuel pump. And yeah, that's the basics. The engine, the block is stock, head's stock. So just K24 bolt-ons. Unfortunately, this morning was kind of a shit show. I was planning on trailering the car. If you don't see my abandoned trailer, I trailered the car to work. On the way there, I smoked one of my trailer bearings. I mean, it was smoking going through the gate at work. And I tried to fix it before this afternoon, and I got the wrong bearings, so I'm probably gonna have to. So I ended up leaving the van and the trailer at work and drove the rest of the way here, which is about a 30-minute drive. I didn't want to drive it in the first place because I don't trust the fuel gauge. The fuel gauge is a little wonky. I don't trust it, which is the reason I didn't drive it in the first place. But I had to do it anyway. Oh well. Which is why I bought 2 extra cans. One has 93, the other one has E85 in it, in case I need it. Okay, we did a few runs on 91 octane, pushing about 100 horsepower. I'm sorry, pushing about 200 horsepower. Now we're swapping over to E85. I just put about 6 gallons of E85 in it. Now we're going to start tuning on it. See how much more over that 200 we make. They like these technologies too. Okay, we've made a few pulls on E85. The car is currently making 211 horsepower and 184 torque. which is pretty basic setup. Pretty good torque. I was hoping for a little bit more power, but it is what it is. We're going to let the car cool down a little bit. We've done quite a few pulls, and after these cool down, we'll try again. See if we can get a little bit more out of it. It's like 94 today, so it's pretty hot, which, to be fair, was probably realistic to track day temperatures, so I guess it's realistic. Hey, the car made it back home in one piece. Dyno went pretty good for the most part, no issues. It was a very hot day, like I said before. So yeah, so let's go over the dyno numbers a little bit. Yeah, let's look at my graphs. I know it's not the best pictures in the world, is what I have. On 91 octane is what I had in the car for my base tune. It only did 194 wheel horsepower at 67, at 187 torques at 45. You know, it's a little wavy. But on E85, I got up to 211 wheel horsepower at 7200. And this car has a lot more RPM after that, so at least I have some wiggle room. At 184 torque at 44. That was a little weird that I have a little bit less torque on 85 than I did on 91. But even though this isn't a very big, impressive number, but one thing I am happy about, the good thing, is my torque curve. The dotted line here, I get up to almost full torque pretty early in the power band. Like at 4400 RPMs, I'm at max torque, and it's flat. Had a pretty flat torque curve here. It does start to dip down a little bit, but it's pretty flat here. So at least I can get up the power or the torque and keep it. So hopefully I can pull me out of the corners. So I'm happy about that. Yeah, I know it's not big, impressive numbers. Also, dyno jets tend to read a little bit lower than like a Mustang dyno. So if you want bragging rights, you'd jump on a Mustang dyno to get a little bit better numbers out of it. But I don't care that much about numbers as long as the power's there and she's reliable. The car definitely felt a little bit more peppy on the way home. I didn't really get a chance to really open it up too much. It was just traffic most of the way, you know, kind of congested. So I haven't really played with her too much. But this weekend, I'm going back to the National Super Speedway for Import Alliance. They're having an HPD day, so I should be getting plenty of laps there to get a good feel of her. See how she does. See how much I like E85. See if I like it better. I should. Until I go to the pump. Probably won't like it then, because it does use more of it. It's a little bit cheaper right now, but I use more of it, so that sucks. But that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and come back for the next one. Now I need to prep the car for this weekend. I'm gonna do a bolt check, make sure nothing else rattles loose. Don't want anything else rattling loose on track. So come back for my next video, which should be from Import Alliance, and I'll see you next time. Have a beautiful day. Peace out.